You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this moon or satellite of Jupiter, the planet in the solar system. It's pronounced in English as Io. Yes, I know there could be some confusion because, yes, in Greek it's pronounced more Io, and also in Italian and Spanish Io, but in English it's generally referred to as Io. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.